Ready to take your Steam games to the next level with awesome community-created mods? First, let's explore the easiest method, the Steam Workshop. Open Steam and navigate to the game you want to mod in your library. On the Games page, look for the Community Hub button, usually located just below the game's title and purchase options, and click on it. Inside the Community Hub, find and click on the Workshop tab. This is where you'll discover a treasure trove of mods uploaded by other players. Browse through the available mods. You can filter by popularity, recent updates, or specific categories depending on the Games Workshop setup. When you find a mod that interests you, click on it to go to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find descriptions, images, and often videos showcasing the mod. To install it, simply click the subscribe button. Steam will automatically download and install the mod for you. Once the download is complete, the mod will be active the next time you launch the game. It's that easy for Workshop-supported games. Some games have in-game menus to manage your mods. Otherwise, the content will simply appear in the game after you launch it. Now, for mods that aren't on the Workshop, you'll need to install them manually. Locate the game's installation folder. A quick way to do this is right-clicking the game, going to Properties, then Installed Files, and then Browse. Download your mod from the online source, then extract the contents of the downloaded archive. Carefully read the mod's instructions. Usually, you'll need to copy the extracted files into a specific folder within the game's installation directory. This is often labeled mods, data, or something similar. Be sure to follow the mod creator's instructions precisely. Launch the game and enjoy your newly modded experience. Remember to always download mods from trusted sources and read the instructions carefully. Happy modding!